Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see the 9-day continues to be support, and this slow bleed higher keeps happening. We just made a higher high. We're trading about 23. The bulls were set up to have a big day yesterday, but they couldn't get out of the gate. We basically spent the entire day below the opening print. We pushed down, let's look at the hourly chart, pushed back down to make a higher low, 29, call it 29.04 half versus the Monday low, 2900 half. They held that, chopped it around a little bit. We had a big push to the upside in Globex on China Econ, and they've been grinding it up higher ever since. So for those of you joining me on Instagram Live, I'm doing the webcast live, YouTube, Room, Instagram, the whole deal. So what are we looking at going into today? The bulls have to progress. You've got matching highs in the area of 18 even. That really has to hold all day long. There's no reason why 18 shouldn't hold if the bulls are for real today. The bears want to get back below that area. They want to eventually convert the hourly mid-band, which comes in at 1465. If they can do that, then they can push back towards the daily pivot, which comes in right around 12. So what do the bulls want? They now have 2 days of support at weekly pivot. They have 2 days left in the week. They want to keep climbing, stair by stair by stair by stair, heading higher and heading for the upper band on the daily, which is coming in right now around 45. So a real quick look back at the daily chart will show you. You can see the bands here starting to expand a little bit, and it's starting to expand to the upside. They're going to have a couple serious follow-through days, though, if they're going to jump up and grab that. So off the open today, like I said, you got 15. Volume weighted average price is coming in around 16. I'll be interested to see where the advanced decline line opens up and whether they can hold that. And if they can, they should be able to continue to bleed to the upside. 2 days of not being able to take out the weekly pivot will do that. So the ball's in the bulls' court today, but that said, it was in their court yesterday. They did absolutely nothing with it. Maybe they're ready to go today, maybe they're not. So that's where I'm at. Take care. There will be some more stuff out on social. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.